2019 Ford Transit. And today we're going to walk you through a special function that is a service function called Misfire Monitor Neutral Profile Correction. This function here is to be performed after a powertrain control module has been replaced on the vehicle. It has some internal engine repairs, or a crankshaft position sensor has been replaced. The Misfire monitor will not run until this procedure has been complete. So it'll just say not ready, and it won't be ready to run through a smog test. So I'll walk you guys through that. That'll be your guys' quick tip today. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Misfire monitor neutral position learn. This is going to be within the powertrain control module, and is to be performed like I was saying earlier. Powertrain control module being replaced, internal engine repair, crankshaft position sensor being swapped out. So then below that's the conditions: vehicles in park neutral, air conditioning is off, no power steering, basically no loads on the vehicle. And then we're going to go and select OK. All right, verify the vehicle is ready to learn a misfire. Make sure there's no DTCs present, no engine misfires. Apply the parking brake, transmission in park neutral. And then we're going to hit OK. Okay, so now at this point in time, it's going to want us to go ahead and rev the vehicle up. And if you look at the bottom, it says threshold RPM 3,230. So we need to rev it beyond that. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And it needs to go beyond that. All right, so there, it went beyond that, and you'll see that countdown. And we need to do it again until that countdown goes to 0. And it's that quick and easy. Test function executed and succeeded. Procedure complete. That's your guys' quick tip. Thank you.